Dear friends, welcome to my channel Aroma at Usha. For more delicious healthy recipes from the channel Aroma at Usha, click the subscribe button and click the below bell icon. Today I am going to show you a delicious chicken curry. This goes well with chapatis, puris or any other rotis. For this chicken curry, I have used 250 grams of country chicken. To marinate the chicken pieces, I have used 1 tablespoon of curd, salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. To grind, I have taken 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 4 numbers of red chilli. I have used Kashmiri red chilli. You can also use the normal red chillis. Half teaspoon of fennel seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2-inch size cinnamon stick, 1 number. 3 cloves, 1 tablespoon of roasted Bengal gram dal, 1-inch size ginger, 4 cloves of garlic. To temper, I have taken 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, few curry leaves, 3 tablespoons of oil. The other ingredients for this recipe are 2 medium size onion chopped, 1 for sauteing, 1 used in gravy. 2 tomatoes chopped, 1 for sauteing and 1 used in gravy. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt. 1 teaspoon crushed pepper, quarter portion of lime. Now we are going to marinate the chicken pieces. I have used country chicken here. Take 250 grams of chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of curd. Add required amount of salt. I have used rock salt. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well. Set it aside for 1 hour. Now we are going to grind the masala. In a mixer jar, take 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. Add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds. Add 1-inch size ginger. Also add 4 cloves of garlic. Add half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add 2-inch size cinnamon sticks. Add 1 tablespoon of roasted Bengal gram dal. 3 numbers of cloves. Add 4 Kashmiri red chillis. You can use a normal red chilli also. Add little amount of water and grind it into fine paste. Now heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a wok. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let it splatter. Add few curry leaves. Add 1 finely chopped onion. And saute well. Add required amount of salt for the onion. When the onion starts changing its color, add 1 chopped tomato. Let it cook for some time. Add salt for the masala. Now add the ground masala paste and cook until oil oozes from the masala paste. Add turmeric powder. Add quarter teaspoon of it. Now you can see the oil oozing out from the masala. Add the marinated chicken pieces. And mix well. Now cook for 10 minutes. Add one chopped onion. Also add one chopped tomato. Add required amount of water. Cover it with the lid and cook until oil floats on the top. Now you can see the oil floating on the top. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed pepper and mix well. Again cover it with the lid and cook until the chicken becomes soft. Now the chicken is cooked. Squeeze quarter portion of lime. Mix well and switch off the flame. After adding lime juice, don't cook for longer time. Switch off the flame immediately. This curry goes well with chapatis, puris or any other rotis.